Odd one out. Which bird can fly? Emu, rhea, kiwi, ostrich, eagle. Four of these birds are flightless, and one can soar in the sky. Can you spot the flyer? Answer follows. Answer: eagle. It's the only bird here that can fly. Do you know what this is? This is emu, Australia's speedy flightless giant. Rhea, South America's grassland runner, smaller cousin of the ostrich. And this is kiwi, New Zealand's nocturnal flightless icon with a long beak. Ostrich is the world's largest bird, a powerful sprinter from Africa. And today's answer is eagle, majestic flyer, symbol of strength and freedom, soaring high above. Thank you for watching. Follow and subscribe at Brain and Mind Gym for more such fun words.